It's a 2-bedroom apartment, smart TV, and it's loads of rooms for 4 people, no problem. And you've got 2 kitchens, a kitchen inside, which is only for tea and coffee. I can put a microwave here, but there's one in the office, and in the second kitchen. Then you've got a shower, toilet, wash and basin as well. And what else have you got? Electric kettle, toasters and that, and small cookers, ovens, they're all inside the larger kitchen. And this one's really just for sleeping, or make tea or coffee or stuff like that. And then here's another bedroom, air conditioned as well. So, and you've got a small table. You want to work here, you've got a table to study or use your laptop if you want to work from here. Another TV. Then outside you can sit as well. The beauty about this is you're so close to the kitchen that you've got lots and lots of space. And no cooking smells inside your house, because Thai people smelly with their cooking, all that spicy rubbish. Okay, I'm going to show you the kitchen. Over here's the kitchen. You can sit outside in 2 or 3 places. You can sit here, and private parking over there as well, so you park your car. Then the kitchen's got basically all you need, a microwave, it's got the oven hob, it's got 2 small bread makers, a toaster, electric kettle. So basically all you need, really. You don't need any more. And we've got washing machines as well. If you want to wash clothes, washing machines. You can wash clothes here, no problems at all. 20 baht. And you can hang them here to dry, or wash them by hand if you want. There's a sink you can wash by hand if you want. No problems at all, if you want to do it. 30 baht. Really big wash machine, 40 baht. Then down the back as well, we've got swimming pool toilets and a kitchen. So you can go down there. In the office we stock food, so we've got us pot noodles and water, stuff like that, beer, if you want beer, and soft drinks, towels and soap, all the stuff you need to stay, we've got here. You can wash every day or you can wash every few days, it's up to you. We've got lots of towels as well, towel service. We can start there, if you want a 1-bedroom apartment, we can start at to say 1,600 baht for 1 week. If you want 2-bedroom, 3,000 baht a week. So then down here's the pool. I'll show you the pool. The pool's open from 7 o'clock till 9 o'clock every day. It's got toilets, like I say, toilets and a kitchen, and places to sit. You can relax down here, there's tables and chairs and places to eat if you want. If you want a villa, you can get a 1-bedroom pool villa here, or if you want a 2-bedroom pool villa, there's another one here. So we've got two pool villas for rent, so you can rent them per day if you want, or per week. And we've got other choices as well. We've got 1-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom apartments over the other block as well. So if 5 or 6 people want to come, we've got the facilities for up to 20 guests, basically. 20 people can stay in the rooms. Not including the villas, but that's what we've got. Today's really nice, it's not very sunny today. Good for me because it's not hot, but it's not good for making movies or showing people about the resort. I'll show you back round the room one more time, then I'll upload the video, show you, see what it turns out like. We've got like the towels and sheets and all that sort of stuff. You can self-service, or we can do it. We can provide a service for you. Self-catering, we can offer the price a lot lower, as we've not got overheads. If you wash your own stuff, easy for us. But if you want us to do it, we can iron and wash and give you a price to do it. A lot cheaper than shops that actually do that service. We can do it. All the girls ask for extra income, so I can give them small jobs to do. Okay, so this is the back end one more time to show you. So that's the accommodation here. Two good sized bedrooms, 2 kitchens, private parking, super fast internet, and ready for rent. Okay, bye bye for now.